Grace, I've been expecting you. Just catch up on some light reading here. What can I help you with, darling?
I was wondering I have a couple questions for my awesome science class.
Oh, I've heard about this. You have a teacher, right? Mrs. Kohler. She seems like a wonderful lady.
She's awesome. She's so cool. Okay, one of my questions is, how do they use design? How do you use design in your daily life?
Well, Grace, as you know, I am a student teacher. Wanted to be a wonderful teacher like Mrs. Kohler you got there. Well, I use design almost every day in creating lesson plans and activities for my students to do. Just kind of fun things for them to really experience learning is what I really design every day.
He was just like Miss Kohler.
Who's a wonderful lady.
I was wondering, how do you use problem solving in your daily life?
Well, Grace, it's an excellent question. Whoever taught you how to make questions like that is
Miss Kohler.
Wow. A+ work right there, Grace. A+. Well, the question is, sorry, I just got a little distracted about how wonderful your teacher sounds. Can you repeat the question for me?
Problem solving?
Problem solving, yes, now it's all coming back to me. Well, I have to use problem solving almost every day in the classroom as well. For example, if I'm teaching a lesson and I notice that little Jimmy over here isn't quite understanding the concept, I have to quickly problem solve, think of a new way to teach it, and then kind of think on my feet on how I can help little Jimmy or Johnny or, whatever his name is.
How do you use engineering in your daily life?
Well, actually, Grace, another excellent question. I use engineering again to kind of create things for my students to use to learn. For example, last year I engineered, if you will, a volcano. A fake volcano, not the real one, those get real difficult. But I engineered a fake volcano to kind of show them the whole kind of baking soda and vinegar type of chemical reaction, just things I'm sure that Mrs. Kohler has included in her wonderful lesson plans. But I did have to engineer that in order to show them a lesson and to teach them something, so I had to be able to do that.
How do you use technology in your daily life? We use technology.
Technology? I'm not sure what you're talking. Oh, technology. I see where you're going with that. I have used that in my classroom. I use technology every day. I use it basically to email my cooperating teacher now that I'm student teaching, email parents. I have to use it to create lesson plans in the computer, use it to create worksheets, PowerPoints, really whatever you name it. I also need to be able to teach students how to use technology, so in order to do that, my voice got really high there, I noticed. In order to teach students how to use technology, I have to be able to know it myself, and in order to be able to teach it to them, so I also need to be versatile.
I see.
Yep.
It's very interesting.
Thank you.
Could you tell me some more reasons, some more ideas, or you have behind problem solving?
Problem solving.
That was very interesting. Very interesting.
Thanks, good. This follow-up question that you're doing, it shows tremendous knowledge on how to do a good interview, and I think that Ms. Kohler probably has something to do with that. So
I have read the dictionary.
I'm working on it. Well, I use problem solving a lot to kind of teach students how to problem solve. So, for example, I'll do kind of activities where they have to kind of almost figure out the answer without me letting them know if it's correct or not. Problem solving as far as, like I said, being able to really think on your feet, to be able to tell students a different way of learning something or doing something. Maybe how to teach a really difficult concept. I'll have a couple different ideas on how I want to do it. So I'll be able to kind of think through which one would be the best one.
That was amazing.
I think so too. I'm not going to lie about it. Anything else, Grace?
Technology. Could you, at our school, Deer Path Middle School,
Yes.
we use a lot of technology. And
Excellent.
like our netbooks.
That are over there?
Right there somewhere. And I was wondering, what programs do you use as your amazing teacher job that teachers can be just amazing sometimes?
Yeah, I think so too. Like I said, in my classroom, we actually have 3 mini computers that they're able to use. We have multiple iPods that can use to kind of play games. We have a computer lab where the students actually go to that class every day to be able to kind of work with that. They're able to access a lot of the different kind of games and stuff that we have online at home. So they're able to do that really whenever they want to. Technology, I said, is really important, not only for teachers to be able to kind of show their knowledge, but also for students to be able to show us what they've learned, which is very easy to do.
That is about it.
You know what? Thank you, I appreciate it.
Go back to reading.
Sorry, I had the dictionary
I'll
not
go-
left.
Yeah,
So.
I'll go into this with you.
Oh, okay. Well, thanks. Here, I'll just copy.